Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is honestly something that I promised you guys a long time ago, probably in my Forever 21 shopping haul video, but I just forgot filming this video out, and today I've sat down to film this video. It's a Myntra kurti video or a kurti haul video. Most of these are kurta sets, like there's a kurti and a pajama. One of them also has a dupatta with it. So I have 6 of these sets, few of which belong to me and few to my sister, and these turned out to be really good. And thus I wanted to do a shopping haul video wherein I talk about the products and share with you all the links. So links to all these products are in the description box of this video, so if you want to purchase them out, you will easily get access to the links. Also, this video is not sponsored. All the products I bought from my own money, and the brand is not paying me anything to make this video. This is also not an affiliate video, it's just an organic review video. I also ordered some nightwear stuff, so if we have time towards the end of this video, I'll also show that and leave links to those products as well in the description box of this video. Also, if you're new on my YouTube channel, hey, it's Dhruva. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share about my channel with your friends, and without wasting any further time, let's dive in. Alright, so let us instantly deep dive into the video, and the first kurta set I want to show you is the one with a dupatta, and it has to be my favorite from the entire lot. It's from this brand called Gosriki. It's spelled as Gosriki, and this brand has a lot of ethnic nice stuff, so you can definitely check them out. I ordered a kurta set in the size large. So this is the color. It's like a very beautiful burgundy color. It has pants beneath it, and it comes with a dupatta. So this is the dupatta. It has like a white dupatta with this floral print all over it, and the dupatta has this golden detailing over here. And also let me quickly open the kurta and show it to you so that you get a proper idea. The kurta has these golden polka dots entirely on it, and the sleeves has this golden detailing. It is currently priced at 3,119, but when I got it, they were having some discount, probably 50% discount or 40% discount. So yeah, you can definitely add this to your cart and just wait for when the discount pops up, and you can definitely buy it. The quality is amazing. I haven't worn it, so I haven't washed it, but it's not the material that would shrink or anything. Also, I don't think color will go off of this material, and it's super soft, super comfy, sticks onto your body. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this kurta set. Alright, so I skipped on to showing you the pants, so let me quickly do that. So these are very basic parallel pants, like no print or anything. The only thing that they have is a slit like this on the edges of the bottom, so they have this tiny little slit over there, but otherwise these are super simple, just an elastic on the waist, and yeah. Alright, so the next kurta is like a basic kurta, not a kurta set. So this is the kurta. It is from this brand called Anouk. It's spelled as A-N-O-U-K, Anouk by Myntra. It's a very basic white colored straight A-line kurta with this peach kind of floral print all over it. It has this thing in the front over the neck to tie, and it's a long kurta. You can tell it's quite long. It's way beneath your knees. It's a cotton kurta, and it's priced at rupees 1200, but currently as I'm checking on Myntra, it's available for rupees 419. They have a discount going on of rupees 780. So this kurta is a grab for 420 rupees. When I purchased this, kind of discount was not going on. Probably I got a discount for 20 or 30%, but definitely not so much. So definitely take this kurta. I ordered it in the size medium, and it's quite loose, so even if it shrinks a little bit, it won't be an issue. I'll be leaving link to this kurta as well in the description box of this video, so make sure you check the link out. on, the next thing I want to show you is also a kurta set. It's this one in black. It's from this brand called Zia, ZIYAA. This belongs to Mansi and has been worn, so I'm going to check out Myntra for all the details. It's a floral leafy foil print kurta set, and this was priced at rupees 2468 but is currently available at only rupees 839. Oh my god, a discount of 1630 going on Myntra right now. So yeah, that's insane. Like, I should wait before making these purchases because everything goes on sale after a while. So this over here that you see, the floral printed pants, look at the print, it's so gorgeous, and I think you just cannot, you know, wear this pant with just this kurta. There are so many different ways in which you can make such good use of such nice pants. You can wear a pink colored kurta on it, or a black colored thing on it, or this green colored thing, or a yellow colored thing. This pant can be worn in so many different ways. The material is really soft. It's not cotton, it's kind of like, yeah, it's polyester. It's not cotton, but it's soft enough. I don't think you can wear this in hot summers, especially because it's black in color, but otherwise the material is really soft. So this is the kurta. I love it. Just check out the sleeve detailing, the detailing in the front and everything. It's flowy, nice, black, makes you look slimmer. The material hugs onto your body. Only for rupees 840 currently. That's insane. So yeah, do check this one out. Yeah, this one that we ordered is in the size large, but they have all sizes available on their app right now. So yeah, you can check this one out as well. Alright, so moving on, we have 3 kurta sets left, and all of these belong to Mansi, and all 3 of these are from this one particular brand. It's called Gerua. It's spelled as Gerua, and trust me, they have such amazing collection of kurta sets on Myntra. I am planning on ordering more kurta sets from this particular brand, so yeah, definitely check them out. The first kurta set that I want to show you from Gerua is this beautiful pure cotton kurta set, and it's in this very lovely color of mint green. I don't think if camera would be able to do justice to how gorgeous it looks in person, but this is the color. It's a very mild light green color, and it has these dark pink flowers all over it, and this pink detailing in the front over the neck. So this is how it looks. It's pure cotton, so of course it did shrink a little bit, but not like too much. So we ordered it in the size large. So if you are ordering pure cotton kurtas and everything, I would always suggest you to go a size higher, because if it shrinks, you always have a little margin left, and you can always get it altered if it's very loose. But always go a size higher. Like, if you try it, you can return it, but if you washed it, you will not be able to return it. So always you go for a size higher if you're ordering pure cotton stuff. Now this kurta is with this pants, which is like all checkered. Again, the same color scheme, but the kurta has floral print and this has checkered crisscross print, and I feel that's a very unique combination and is perfect for office wear. Again, this has elastic on the back, super comfortable. So yeah, do check them out. Let me quickly tell you the price as well. It's originally priced at 2700, currently available at 1025. So I feel these kurta sets are becoming really cheaper, like 1000 bucks for the kurta and a trouser. It's a great buy, especially with this quality and such good material. Discount of 1674 going on. These are in stock. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check them out. Moving on, another kurta set again from Gerua, like I mentioned, is this one. They are women peach colored and rust orange printed kurta sets with plazos, priced for rupees 2400 originally, currently available at 1007, 1392 discount going on. So 1000 rupees for the kurta and the plazo. So let me quickly show it to you. This is unworn, unwashed, so I won't be able to comment whether it will shrink or not, but it's cotton, it would definitely shrink. So of course ordered in the size large. This is the kurti. It's fabulous. It's very light peach color with these orange kind of print on it. Very formal, very chic. It has this detailing, something like this on the neck that makes it look stylish. 3/4 sleeves, good length, and it comes with this plazo, orange colored plazo, again with this print, quite loose, nice, has pockets. So yeah, this is the kurta set, again from Geruwa, priced at ₹1007. Moving on, the third kurta set, like I said, is from Geruwa. Let me quickly check the price and everything and tell it to you. This is blue and pink printed kurta set with plazos, priced at ₹1007, originally priced at 2400, discount of 1392 going on. Pure cotton straight kurta with plazos. This has been worn and it's not ironed, but the material has become super soft after, you know, being washed. So this is the kurta. I feel it did lose some color. Yeah, so this is the kurta, very basic, super soft material, perfect for everyday wear. So yeah, it has this detailing in the front, nice blue color, and comes with this floral printed plazos. So these are the plazos. Yeah, it again has pockets. Yeah, elastic and yeah, comfy, loose, perfect for the summer season. So yeah, these are the kurtas. So these were the 6 kurta sets that I wanted to show it to you guys, and I feel we do have time. I'm going to quickly bring some of the nightwear that I ordered and also show it to you now. Alright, so I ordered a full night set, a track pant and a t-shirt, and they are all in stock, so I thought let me quickly show them to you as well. This is the night set that I ordered. It's from this brand called Claura, C-L-A-U-R-A. I'll leave the link in the description. It's a cotton night suit. This is the pajama. It has pockets, which is something every girl wants, and it comes with a shirt. It's a half sleeves shirt. So yeah, this is what the shirt looks like. It's pure matching. The material is great, but the only thing is that it shrinked more than I expected. So even after ordering a large, I feel it shrinked more than it should have. Yeah, it's like not tight on me, but it's not like nightwears are something you want them to be loose, comfy. So yeah, the material shrinked more than I expected it to, but probably because it's pure cotton. So if you are, you know, planning to order, maybe order 2 sizes higher, because I usually wear medium. I ordered large, but I feel I should have ordered extra large for it to be loose on my body, if that makes any sense. Okay, sorry, the price of the previous one, this is originally priced at ₹1900, but is currently available at 1290, which is 1300 on the website. So yeah, you can check that out. Next is something that I always wanted, a very loose track pant. It's from this brand called Slumber Jill. I ordered it in the size medium. I've been wearing it for some time now and the quality is intact. It has this kind of an elastic strap to go over the waist, and it's loose all the way through. It's super comfy. Everyday wear, like you can not just wear this during bedtime, but you can wear it like throughout the day. It's super soft, super comfy. So I don't know if you can tell the material, but it's super soft. Another thing that I ordered is a t-shirt from this brand called Dillinger. These guys have oversized huge t-shirts with some very basic coats and stuff, and I ordered one in grey color. It's super huge, super loose, super comfy. So yeah, you can check that out as well. I'll leave link to that also in the description box of this video. Alright, so guys, that's it about the Myntra haul. Lots of kurta sets and kurtis and a few nightwears here and there. I really hope that this video helps you out. Let me know what are your favorite brands on Myntra for ethnic wear, and I would definitely check them out because I am planning on buying more of these. So yeah, let me know, leave whatever your reviews or suggestions are in the description box of this video. Make sure you like the video, share my channel, and share this video, press that notification icon so whenever I upload a new video on my YouTube channel, you get a notification, and I'll see you another time. Till then, bye. It's from this brand called Slumber Party. No, it's from this brand called Slumber Jill.